So my shifter is screeching here at the bottom because I'm missing this bushing here. And Vanagon actually sells the bushing that goes in there. So that's the part number there. So it's the center one, and then I bought this one, and these two little guide rings for the shift rod. I have them here. So this one goes up here. Mine's missing these, so there's a lot of play, and this pole is actually screeching on this thing when I shift. So I'm gonna replace all that today. So I think I gotta remove the box, then this bolt and nut here, and this one will pull out forward. I gotta mark it down here. That's towards the back. Mark it so I know how it fits, and then I can pull this out through the front. So these 4 bolts are 10mm. Let's take those off. $13mm, 10mm. And there it is. So now I'm behind the gas tank, and I gotta take this nut off so I can pull the whole thing forward and out. Before you take this one off, make sure you mark it so you know where to put it back. And this is a 13mm bolt. And then this can slide out forward. Should be able to pull this out forward. So here are the 2 shift rods, and I gotta replace the bearing in here, which you can replace with this. You can just take this out, the screwdriver or something, pry it in here, and pull that old one out. It comes out pretty easy. Takes 2 hands though. There you go. Put the new one in. Here's the new one. And it doesn't fit. That's too big. I'll just use the old one. Seems pretty okay. I'll just flip it. So we're gonna need to insert this into here. But probably want to wear gloves. Probably want to feel the inside. Let's try the other way. There you go. Okay. So now I gotta install these onto here. There's 2 of them here and there. We'll cut the old ones. So go right on there. Right. Like this. Probably want to grease all this up. So that'll go over. There. And this will go in like that. See, that's a lot tighter. No slack. No slack there. That's good. Okay. Now this big one goes on a tab under the van. I'm gonna see if I can install that. So that bushing has to go inside there, but it's like halfway into between the gas tank, so it'll be hard to reach in there. I'm gonna see if I can grease this and put like the end of a broom and shove it in there. So I figured out a way to put this thing in there. This is a broomstick, and this thing will fit right over it, but it won't go through, so you can push it. So I'll just put grease on here and then push it in like that. I'll show you. I'm gonna grab some grease, put it on here. Like so. This is my mother-in-law's broom. She's probably gonna kill me. And then you want to put it back there. Take your special broom tool. Line it up back there. So I was having a problem that this was too long and it wasn't letting the front side compress. So I had to sacrifice my mother-in-law's broom. I'm gonna buy her a new one, but this should work now that it's shorter. All right, there it is. Took about 20 minutes. I think you should probably heat that before you put it in with the broom, but it'll go. Grab your shifter rod, put some grease on here. All right, just put extra everywhere, it doesn't matter. Ready to go back in. All right, now that's back in there. Let's go to the back. Have your girlfriend push from the front. Push. Okay. Okay, there. You're lined up perfect. Make sure your lines are lined up. And that's it. And then tighten these back up. So put this nut back on, and then the big end is a 13 millimeter, the small end is a 10 millimeter. So now you want to put on your gearbox again. And you can have someone push it from up top, so the screws or the bolts come down, so you can screw on the nut. So this is after I replace those. These are all the parts you're gonna need, except this one. This is the one that didn't fit, so you just need these.